हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, क्रैक ग्रेड बी के ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द फेज 2 कट ऑफ आरबीआई ग्रेड बी 2024 एग्जाम. बिफोर दैट you can see that we have launched our offline course and it will be from Noida center only. You can subscribe, and currently we are providing 20% discount. Code is early 20 for all our courses. You can use early 20. This is our offline batch, and for online batch these two courses are there currently. One is RBI Grade B full course. You can use early 20 code here also, and early 20 code here also. Other courses are also there. You can go to our courses section. You can go for the NABARD next year. IRD exam is there, so IRD course you can subscribe. These are our courses. Now, so we will discuss cutoff. So as compared to the last year, objective paper was difficult. You can see that this is the last year. This is the last year objective score. This year only 27 general vacancies are there. So 3 times 81 candidates they will be calling. So I have taken the data of the last year result. From the last year result, 81 candidate of the general category, first 81. So score is coming 173 of the 81 first candidate. So based on this I will drive the cutoff, because they will be calling 81 candidates only. So you can see that last year, if we talk about the FM objective score, you can see that 47.5 is the candidate who has the highest marks in the phase 2. 48.75, this is 48.75 here. Then again 49, and one candidate I think was having 50 also out of 50 in this FM objective. Same thing you can see ESI objective. You can see that 30, 32, 35, 29, and even student with the one candidate was having only 7.5 marks. Still he selected. He was selected. Still he or she whatever was selected. So you can see that even if you have low score in the ESI objective, still you have chance to get into the interview list. But condition is that you have to score very good marks in the English paper, FM objective, and English descriptive, FM objective, and FM descriptive. He or she scored very good marks. You can see that this candidate 14 marks only, but they scored very well in these section and they were in the interview list. I mean, this candidate you can see that 12.5 marks, and he or she was in the interview list. I mean, this candidate you can see that 10 marks only out of 50. 34 in the descriptive, 64 in English, 34 for in the objective FM. So based on this last candidate, I am taking the reference of the last candidate. He scored 15 marks in objective. So I also expecting this year student will be scoring 50 to 20 in ESI. This will be the range most of the student will be scoring. Even they can score less also, but I am considering 15, minimum 15. I mean, it can go less also, but minimum 15 I am considering here. 15 anyone can score in ESI paper. For general category I am considering general category. I mean, paper was much difficult. I mean, but many students, those who appeared last year also are appearing this year. So 15 we are considering here, and same descriptive marks we are considering here. English we are taking 60 marks as a reference. And if we talk about the FM objective part first, so you can see that FM objective maximum students 47, 45, 48.75, 49, even one candidate scored 40 in this range, and 81st candidate if we talk about, he or she has scored 34.25, but we are expecting at least 10 marks drop because of planetary boundary. that question 3 to 4 question maximum have attempted it wrong. Then CB circular, many facts you are climbing, so there are chances you will make a mistake and you will attempt it wrong. And small finance bank related question, many students have made a mistake in this also. Easy questions they have made it wrong, so we are considering 10 marks drop. So you can consider the last candidate 25 marks. And for the descriptive also, 81 bond and growth versus value, so we can expect at least 2-3 marks drop here in the last candidate marks we are considering. So it may be in the range of 30 to 32 average score we can consider here. So if we add it, it is coming around 160 marks. So 160 marks it is coming. So we can take a margin of at least, because there may be some calculation or because I have not data of all the candidates, but I have spoken to many candidates, those who appeared in the last year also and appeared in this year also. So this data we have taken from the general category candidate. So cutoff was last year's 169, but paper was easy, and as compared to the this year, much easier we can consider. So if it will go higher side, +5 we can consider. So 160 to 165 we can consider. Lower side I'm not expecting. 160 to 165 it can go, and if it will go lower side, 2-3 marks it can drop. So 2-3 marks it can drop the lower side, but I'm not expecting it will go lower side. So in this range only we can expect the cutoff. And other categories, as per the last year, you can subtract the marks as was the difference in the last year of general category and OBC marks. So accordingly, so this is my analysis, and I have taken the reference of the last year marks of the candidates, the lowest marks of 81st candidate. Based on that, I have predicted at least 10 to 12 marks drop will be there this year. And thank you, and keep following us.